Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So ugly xenophobic backlash targets South African beauty queen Chidima Vanessa Onwe. She was born in South Africa to a Nigerian father and South African mother with Mozambican roots. She's 23-year-old and she's a finalist for Miss South Africa 2024. She grew up in Soweto and the organizers say she meets all the criteria to complete the pageant in Pretoria on the 10th of August. So there's a petition that is going on. I think around 4.8 people have signed, and I think it needs like 5,000 signatures. So far 4,800 South African have signed. People are saying she's forcing herself to be recognized as a South African. Both her parents are from Nigeria, which is not true. I've seen something circulating like she's from Nigeria totally. And I don't know what you guys think about this whole thing of signing a petition and saying her parents are Nigerians. Of course, they don't qualify as 100% South African. I don't know what criteria is there to be 100% South African because the mother is South African. I don't know of the roots from Mozambique, but she grew up in Soweto. She was born and bred in South Africa, and people are saying her surname completely disqualifies her to be one of the pageants. Can you please guys comment on this? Is it a xenophobic attack? Is it what? Because people are saying the next thing we are going to see her flying a Nigerian flag using South African platform to promote her Nigerian heritage. I don't know how far true it is. On the other hand, there are people who are saying it's fine with whites, Chinese, Indians. You don't even bother, South Africans, they don't even bother themselves to find their origins. If it was a South African who is qualifying, who is a finalist, and if she's white, people, they don't even try to track their roots. But now that she's a black child, then hell break loose. Others are saying beauty, we cannot sabotage in signing the petition. Poor girl, she did nothing wrong. This is just purely black hate that is happening. I don't know. The thing is, she grew up in Soweto and she is 100% South African. Her birth certificate, her ID is showing that she's South African, although the date is not South African, is Nigerian. But 23 years, all she knows is South Africa. All she knows is staying in South Africa. Nothing more and nothing less. And then she's just worried about how she's being treated with other South African. I've checked her Instagram and people are like supporting her. What is happening? But on Twitter, it's a whole different drama. It's a whole different story. People are saying, no, we don't want her. We don't want this. I think this started, 2 days ago when we actually saw her name. I think it was trending like 2 days ago, started trending 2 days ago or a day ago, I don't know. But people are saying we are not in support of this. We are supposed to get people with South African surname. We have 100% origins of South Africa. So let me know in the comment section below if you are in support of this whole idea. For me, I would like to say if there are people who wanted to be part of the pageant, they would have gone and also applied and represented themselves and also put themselves out there. She's outstanding. You can actually, I saw her clip when she was applying to be part of the pageant. But now people turn a blind eye that if you wanted to be part of this thing, you would have applied yourself as well. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think.